Right, well, quite a weird round footpath in Brockholes. I think this is called number one pit, this lake. There's about 3 or 4 different lakes here. The noise in the background you can hear is the M6, because it's just kind of on the junction of M6 near junction 31. But it's a nice day, really cracking. Just seen some lapwings. There's quite a few hides here that you can go into and watch and stuff like that. And fortunately, those people that have children tend to stay away from these areas. They hang out near the car park and cafe. So it's brilliant all round. So it's nice and quiet. Even though it's a really, really nice day. And we're on our way back now. We're nearly back. That's the centre over there. It's been a nice walk. We just came out, a little walk for an hour. And I'd recommend it. Yeah, we're going to see if there's any volunteering opportunities here. Come out and do a bit of chopping of trees or something. And we saw some deer as well. Yeah, so far wildlife activities have been little roe deer. I think it was a buzzard, because I just had a word for some twitchers who've got some super telescopic, telescopes. Peter thinks I'm filming him, but I'm not. Just filming the path, as you do. Lapwing, and lots of other good things. Looks like they're going to be doing something here. What's this say? Lancashire Wildlife Trust, birds nesting, da-da-da-da. Excellent. Yeah, it's all very good. Yeah, if you're looking for something to do with a Sunday morning or whenever, it's a nice place to come, and I'd recommend it. Right, we're going to go get hot brew and sit next to the big lake. Bye.